Hi guys, this is Melissa Hooper with Hooper's Hollow, and I just wanted to share with you today a quick tip on how to clean up the edges of your wood whenever you have like a tight corner and it's not smooth, because you know the jigsaw blade can't make the turn without skipping and messing up your wood. So I have a round file. It's just I don't know, this one's a Craftsman, but you can get them for like $4 at Harbor Freight. But I just take, and like this edge here isn't perfect. I had worse ones, but I'd already fixed them before I figured out that I wanted to do a video. But you take this and you put it off the edge or whatever, but I like to put it on my table to stabilize it. And you just kind of clean that up. And if it's not, this is a tighter one, but if you can't get it clean enough with the round one, or you don't have a small enough one of these, they make smaller ones, you can use just a plain fingernail file, and I just clean it up. And this works with little tight spots or whatever, but see, you just keep going, and that'll end up being just as smooth as can be. So then my other thing is these little edges here where you can't get it clean, you just use the fingernail file once again, and you can clean it up just really easy without having to worry about sandpaper or anything like that. And this, of course, is after you've sanded whatever's left that you can't clean up on your own. But I mean, it just makes for a really clean cut. And I'm a perfectionist to a fault, and not everything I do is perfect, but I try. So I just wanted to share these tips with you. Maybe it'll help. I do suggest you get a good set of little files just to have on hand for things like this. And you can get them really cheap at Harbor Freight. You don't need expensive ones. They'll all do the job. But I hope this helps, and have a great day. Bye.